being that'll get nailed up there first. That'll get nailed up first over the opening, and then hopefully this will fit. Which it will. Then I just put some insulation on top of this guy, lift it up, and you have access.
The closet needs another paint coat.
Probably. Oh, I know. Let's see which way this one is. Thinking it's that way. Damn. I think this thing is crooked.
Thanks to everybody for watching the channel. We really do appreciate all the support, and we will keep the videos coming. Say hi to Sam, Dad.
Oh, is she on the phone? Did she answer the phone?
I'm gonna send her a video.
Oh, the video. Yeah, I love you, Sam. Everything went well.
Yep, everything went well.